Hello guys and welcome to Al Makrash Repair Center channel. We have a BMW 6 Series 4 doors, 16 plate. It's very good condition, nothing wrong with the car at all except the front bumper. He had a slightly scratch and damages here and there, colors being fade. So the guy, he brought the car to us to get it fixed for him. Obviously he got cameras on the sides, he got parking sensors, the grills, so the bumper has to come off the car. So when you paint all the edges, the paint and the lacquer will cover it perfectly 100%. So that's why we never paint bumpers while on the car. We have to take the bumpers off. Here it is. The job has been completed on the BMW 6 Series. As you've seen on the beginning of the video, the color of the bumper was faded. So we took the bumper off, we stripped it completely, fully repaired, fully primed, rub it down, paint it, and install it back on the car. As you can see, on the other side, cameras back on, parking sensors. This is the quality we do. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video.